Hi guys, new video for today revealing your new secret on Lenormand. So come on the table, we're going to discuss about that. Another short video today. We're still on the Grand Tableau that I have done for my client. And again, we are looking at this relationship, and we have seen in the first video that he is keeping something and he's already engaged in a relationship. So how you would know that someone is honest to you? Okay, so the color that represents purity and honesty is the lilies, the white lilies. In some tradition, in some system, the lilies is the color that represents sex. But for me, the lilies is always what is representing virginity, chastity. And you will see many Catholic saints like Saint Antonio of Padua or Saint Joseph that has a lily in their hand, a sign of virtue. Okay, so the position of the lily to our consultant or seeker will give us the clue if this person is honest or not. We are reading for a woman, and this is the man that he is she's interested in, and we see that the lilies is down. It is at his feet, so a sign of not being loyal. When the lilies is up, let's pretend that he was there and the lily will be on top. This will show that he is honest. But here it's an indication that this man is not trustworthy. Okay, really not trustworthy. He pretends to be a good match, but he is keeping a secret here and he's dishonest about it.